Good morning, one and present here. I'm Pallavi Kesri from class 9th. Today I will speak about user interface. What is user interface? The user interface is a point at which humans interact with computer, website or application. What is the goal of UI? The goal of effective UI is to make human experience easy, initiative and require minimum support to the users. How does user interface work? What does user interface include? It is include visual elements, organizational features, navigational feature, and last one is the audio elements. Audio. How many types of user interface? There are main two types of user interface. First one is CUI and second one is GUI. CUI stands for character user interface and G for graphical user interface. CUI, it uses text as best input and output to communicate with users. It is also known as a command line user interface. And GUI is a way of user interface interact with a device, uh, visual likes, buttons, icons and menus. It is a way to command anything. It is used on computer, phones, tablets and other devices. It's carry out commands such as opening files, moving files, deleting files and click and drag mouse instead of command line text. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Simi Singh of class 9 and today I am stand here to give some information about cybercrime. So what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is a criminal activity that can target or uses your computer network or network device. Cybercrime is committed by cyber criminals, hackers or to make money. Cybercrime involve one or more following cybercrime that may infect your computer use malware. Yes, malware is a computer virus which can damage your device and also can stop your device for working for some time. And they can also use malware for delete or steal your data. There are some example of cybercrime like malware, phishing, thief, thieves, and DOS. There are also some many types of cybercrime. Some of them are like email and internet fraud, or cryptojacking, ransomware, and cyber extorting, etc. So that this time of to know about how to protect our device from cybercrime. So to protect our device from cybercrime, we have to keep updating our software, use hard password, and never touch spam emails, mails, website, etc. We can also have to use antivirus like um, um, Solo antivirus, uh, Clam antivirus, etc. That's all. Thank you.
So, good morning to all of you. I am Prachi Tiwari from class 9th and today we are discuss about the computer memory. Computer memory is a essential component of the computer which is executed by the CPU. It have two types, namely primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory and main storage. It have namely two types, RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory and ROM is read-only memory. And second one is secondary memory. Secondary memory is a permanently used memory for users. It have also many types. For example, disk, floppy disk, hard disk. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Srishti of class 9, and today I'm going to speak about ICT. ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. It is defined as the combination of technology which is related with each other, especially communication technology. It is also known as digital literacy, and as we know, the ICT become the integral part of our life. It is we use ICT in our daily life, as for example in field of education, in field of medicines, in communication, etc. We can use ICT in our personal life, as we know that if you want to read the newspaper, you can use the ICT. As you know, if you want to pay the utility bill, you can also use ICT. uh, ICT also help in gaining the knowledge in various fields. ICT have ICT is also known as digital. Sorry. ICT is also known as Information Communication Technology. It is defined as the combination of information technology which is related with each other. It is also known as digital literacy. ICT is become the integral part of our life. We can use ICT in our daily life. ICT By using ICT, we become more productive. We will able to deal with a vast amount of problems. We can gain knowledge. ICT by the use of ICT, we can use the newspaper, we can use to read the newspaper, and etc. That's all.
Good morning, all of you. This is me, Sakshi Patel of class 9. Today I am present here to tell you about hardware and software. So my topic is hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer, which means we can touch it. For example, keyboard, monitors, speaker, printer, etc. And on other hand, software refers to the set of instructions, which also known as a program. Software gives commands to hardware what to do, function, and what to do work. So without both these hardware and software, computer is useless. The computer cannot work. There are two type of software: application software and system software. Under application software, we can tell that MS Word, Excel, etc. And under system software, there is operating system. Thank you. That's all.
Good morning to all of you. I am Khushi Kumari of class 9th. I am going to speak about operating system. So, operating system is a set of programs that manage resources like the hardware and software of the computer, process commands, and control programs execution. When we start the computer, the operating system is the first software that is loaded into the memory. This concept is called booting. While booting, the operating system organizes all hardware and operating programs instructions to coordinate between them. Once the operating program's instructions loaded into the memory, other applications such as word processor, spreadsheet, and database can be executed easily. In the simple terms, without an operating system, and system is useless. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Riya Patel. I am going to say about discuss about cyber crimes. Cyber crimes are criminals activities. Cyber crimes are criminal activities either than targets or use a computer networks, a network device. Most cyber crimes committed by cyber criminals or hackers who want to make money, make money or results than profit cyber crimes can be carried about individual and uh, organization. Cyber crimes are organized techniques skilled cyber crimes, no vice hackers. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Barkha from class 9th. Today I am going to discuss about a software. Software is a set of programs and which store data and instruction. This instruction are this instruction are this instruction used to work. Hello everyone, I am going to discuss about software. What is software? Software is a set of programs which store data and instruction, and instruction can usually a set of programs. It is known as programming language, and we and we can say the computer is the most important part of software. Some example of software, MS DOS and operating system. There are two types of software, system software and application software. We cannot touch software, and it is known as programming language. So, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka Kumari from class 9th. Today I am standing here to discuss about memory. Memory is initial component of any computer that used to store data that is executed by CPU. The memory which used direct to communicate directly to CPU is known as main memory, and the memory that used to store backup is known as main memory. There are two types of memory: main memory or primary memory. Uh, Without main memory, computers cannot work. Main memory are also known as primary memory, and there are two type of primary memory: RAM, random access memory, and ROM. Random access memory and read only memory, and second is secondary memory. This is memory that used to store data permanently with the use of temporary memory. Storage Secondary memory is consist of many types of systems such as Blu-ray disc, uh, flash device, CD-ROM, and many components. Storage are very initial for computer, for backup and all things. That's all. Thank you.